Hey, my friends, welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry, and I'm really happy you're here today. In this podcast, I will speak slowly, clearly, and with simple English. I will repeat ideas so you can understand easily. My goal is to help you listen and speak English at the same time. Today's topic is very important. Many English learners ask this question: how can I think in English? How can I stop translating from my own language? If you have this problem, don't worry, you are not alone. This is very normal. Our brain loves our first language. It feels safe, it feels comfortable. But here is the good news, my friend. Thinking in English is a skill. And every skill can be learned. Every skill can be practiced. Today, I will show you simple and practical ways to start thinking in English step by step. Why thinking in English is important. Many learners feel slow when they speak English. Do you know why? Because they translate every sentence in their mind. First, they think in their own language, then they change it into English. This takes time. You may know many English words, you may know grammar rules, but translation makes speaking slow and stressful. In real life, people speak fast. They don't wait. They don't stop. Also, translation is not always correct. Every language is different. For example, some languages put the adjective after the noun, but in English, the adjective comes before the noun. So word-by-word translation sounds strange. Sometimes it sounds wrong. That's why the real goal is this: think in English, not in your language. When you do this, you speak faster, you sound more natural, you feel more confident. Why we translate and why it's okay. When you start learning English, your first language helps you. It is like a bridge. It helps you enter English. But after some time, you don't need the bridge anymore. You want to see a chair and think chair, not the word in your language first. Many learners tell me, Harry, I know English words, I know grammar, but when I speak, I freeze. And I tell them, that's because your brain is still translating. Now let's fix this. 5 simple ways to start thinking in English. Tip 1. Describe what you see. Look around you. Say what you see in your mind in English. For example, I'm walking to the shop. I see a tree. There is a red car. The weather is cold. In the kitchen, I am making tea. I am opening the fridge. I am cooking rice. You can do this anytime. You can do this alone. No one is listening. If you don't know a word, it's okay. Look it up later. Write it down. This is how you build your English brain, step by step. Tip 2. Think about your day. In the morning, think in English. Today, I will study English. I will go to work at 9 o'clock. I will meet my friend in the evening. At night, think again. I went to the gym, I watched a movie, I cooked dinner. It was chicken and rice. You don't need to write, you don't need to speak loudly. Just think. The more you do this, the easier it becomes. Tip 3. Use visual thinking. This is very powerful. When you see something, don't translate. Just think the English word. Chair, table, phone, spoon, book, pen, tree, bus, window, shoes, dog. No translation, only English. Do this every day. Soon your brain will choose English first. Tip 4. Do shadowing. This is one of the best techniques. It's my favorite. Listen to an English podcast or video, like this one. When you hear a sentence, repeat it immediately. For example, speaker, I'm going to the store. You, I'm going to the store. No pause, no translation. Copy. The voice, the speed, the rhythm, the pronunciation. At first, it feels difficult. That's normal. Just do 5 to 10 minutes a day. Your brain will learn fast. Tip 5. Use English in daily actions. While walking, the sun is shining. The wind is cold. A dog is barking. While cooking, I am washing the rice. I am adding salt. The food smells good. While cleaning, I'm sweeping the floor. I'm folding clothes. Think like a child. Simple English. That's how language grows.
Your easy daily English plan. Step 1. Morning thinking. When you wake up, before checking your phone, think in English for 1 minute. You can do this while brushing your teeth or drinking tea. Step 2. Daytime describing. During the day, describe what you see. I see a man walking his dog. She is talking on the phone. I'm typing an email. Slow thinking is okay. Step 3. Shadowing practice. Listen to English, repeat immediately. Even 5 minutes is enough. Step 4. Night review. Before sleeping, relax. Think about your day in English. I went to the supermarket. I made lunch. I watched an English video. I called my sister. No pressure, no stress. Thinking in English is a skill. You can build it. Be patient. Be kind to yourself. Make mistakes. At first, maybe only 10% of your thinking is in English. That's great. Then 30%, then 50%, then 70%. One day, you will notice something amazing. You are thinking in English without trying. It will happen. I promise. Thank you for being here. This is 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry. Keep thinking in English, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.